In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. By the end, you'll know how to quickly find Wix through Google, open your site from the Wix dashboard, and use the built-in Wix AI to add a page loader to your site. A page loader is that brief, branded animation visitors see while your content is getting ready, and it can help your site feel smoother and more polished. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Wix. On the results page, choose the official Wix website. This is the fastest way to land on the correct place without memorizing links. If you see multiple results, look for the one that clearly shows the Wix brand and domain. Once you're on the Wix site, access your account so you can reach your sites and tools. If your browser asks you to continue or confirm your account, just follow the prompt and proceed. Next, head to your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage everything about your site in one place. If you have more than one site, select the one you want to work on. Look for the option labeled Design Site. This button is your shortcut into the visual editor where you can make changes. Click it, and give the editor a moment to load. Depending on your connection and how complex your site is, it might take a few seconds. That's normal. Inside the Wix editor, find the Wix AI Assistant. It's designed to speed up common tasks with simple prompts. Click the AI tool, and in the prompt field, type, Add Page Loader. Keep the wording concise and clear, just like that. The AI will scan your site context and suggest a loading animation that fits your style. You might see options for different loader designs, colors, or placement. Choose a look that matches your brand and keeps things unobtrusive. A good loader is quick, lightweight, and visible enough to reassure visitors that content is on the way without feeling distracting. If the AI offers customization, consider matching your brand colors and logo. Keep animations short to avoid frustrating users. The goal is to bridge brief loading moments, not create longer ones. If your template has specific layout rules, the AI may adjust the loader's behavior automatically. You can refine your prompt with details like tone or color if you want more control. That's it. You searched for Wix, opened your site through the dashboard with Design Site, and used Wix AI to add a page loader. These small, targeted actions help your site feel faster and more professional, and you can revisit Wix AI anytime to fine-tune the results with a simple prompt.